Samsung is back with the Galaxy Z Flip6, but is it just an incremental upgrade or the best flip phone yet? In this video, we'll break down its design, display, performance, camera, battery, and pricing to see if it's worth your money. Let's dive in. Section 1. Design and display. Starting with the design, the Samsung Flip6 refines the classic foldable look with a stronger hinge, slimmer bezels, and improved durability. It folds perfectly into your pocket, making it one of the most compact and stylish flagship phones available. Main display, 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz, smooth, bright, and ultra-responsive. Now 25% brighter, making outdoor visibility better than ever. Covered display, 3.9-inch Super AMOLED more functional than before. Run widgets, quick replies, and even full apps. The cover screen now allows you to check notifications, reply to messages, and even run full apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Google Maps, all without unfolding the phone. Section 2. Performance and chipset. Under the hood, we've got the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, making this the fastest flip phone yet. Apps launch instantly, gaming is smooth, and Samsung's One UI optimizations ensure a lag-free experience. Performance breakdown, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 faster, more efficient, and AI-enhanced. 8GB per 12GB RAM plus 256GB per 512GB storage. Plenty of power for multitasking. Gaming test, runs PUBG, Genshin Impact, and COD Mobile on high settings without overheating. The Flip6's vapor chamber cooling ensures smooth performance even during extended gaming sessions. Section 3. Camera performance. Cameras on a foldable phone? Samsung didn't hold back this time. The Flip6 comes with major AI improvements for sharper and more detailed photos. Camera specs. 50MP main camera, a big upgrade for detailed shots. 12MP ultra-wide, perfect for landscapes. 10MP selfie camera, AI-enhanced for better portraits. Cool features. Flex mode photography. Take hands-free photos and videos. Night mode boost. Improved low-light photography. Cover display selfies. Use the main camera for ultra-clear selfies. Section 4. Battery and charging. Battery life has always been a challenge for foldable phones, but Samsung has made key improvements. Battery and charging. 4,000 mAh battery, more efficient than before. 45W fast charging. 50% charge in just 25 minutes. Wireless charging and reverse charging charge accessories on the go. Section 5. Software and special features. Samsung's One UI 6.1 brings some exciting new features to the Flip6. Software highlights. Flex Mode 2.0. Use the half-fold for hands-free video calls and content creation. App continuity. Seamless switching between the cover and main display. Samsung AI features, improved voice commands and live translations. The Flip6's AI-powered enhancements make multitasking smoother than ever. Section 6. Price and final verdict. Now let's talk about pricing. The Samsung Flip6 starts at $999, making it one of the most premium foldable phones. But is it worth it? Who should buy the Flip6? Love compact, stylish, and innovative foldable phones? This is for you. Need a powerful flagship with top-tier performance? The Flip6 delivers. Already own the Flip5? The upgrades are nice, but not a must-have upgrade. What do you think about the Samsung Flip6? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone reviews.